Hello guys, welcome to Cook, Eat and Explore. Today I'll be showing you how I do my regular makeup, what are the products that I have used regularly. So let's go. So I have already applied my moisturizer, that is from Clinique. So now I'll be applying my foundation. This is from L'Oreal Infallible. So now I will be using the compact powder. Now I don't use any contour kit, I use bronzer. I have a brush kit from which I use the brushes. I use the bronzer from Sugar. I'm unable to find my brush. Then with the same brush, I'll be using my blusher. This is a very beautiful shade. Now let's go to eye makeup. My process of doing makeup might be different from others. I first use all the base and foundation and all, and then I go for the eye makeup. Then I'm using this brush from Vega. I like this brush. So let's do the eyebrow first. I use this MAC Embark eyeshadow to do my eyebrows with this brush. Okay, let's go for eyeshadow. Rather using any liner, I used to prefer this mascara from Maybelline. I like to prefer MAC, but on a daily basis I use this Maybelline Temptation. You guys can use it. It is very good mascara, and for party makeup you can use the MAC mascara. Now it's time for some lipstick from shades, and I'll be applying the MAC Ruby Woman. So guys, this is the final look of my makeup which I do daily. So I hope you like it. If you like the video, then do like, comment and subscribe the channel, which is Cook, Eat and Explore. Till then, bye bye.